I plan on keeping the CBR 1000RR for a period of time. But you know, my X Diavolo I do plan on selling before the extended warranty ends. But I can't think of another street bike to replace the X Diavolo with, and I need your help.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
You know, I've often thought of, you know, what I replaced the CBR 1000RR with, and to be honest with you, it's like really pointless for me to get another super bike, to be honest with you. You know, the R1's beautiful and nice, ZX10R, all of the super bikes are nice, don't get me wrong, but they're all, I mean, it's the same type of bike doing the same thing out here on the streets. This bike has way more power than you can ever need for the street, so it's absolutely asinine to get a new R1 or even a new CBR 1000RR, especially with all the electronic crap they put on it these days. That's what I love about this bike. It doesn't have any of the electronic crap, and it's such a highly reliable bike. But I'll tell you guys, you know, I do plan on, like I said, I plan on selling my Ducati X Diavolo S before the extended warranty ends. You know, I got like a 2.5-year extended warranty, and I figure I probably got about another year, maybe, or less. I may sell it even before then. I love it, don't get me wrong, man, but I just don't I don't know, you know, after the warranty ends on the bike, something happens. Like I said, it's like, you know, having sex with a Tijuana hooker with no condom. You never know what you're going to get with you know, with the Ducati. You don't know, man. If something happens on the bike, it's very expensive to fix it, and I don't want to have to end up paying them prices, you know what I'm saying. And I had planned on changing the that being my third motorcycle, that being the wild card motorcycle that I would change. Now I know I do want to add a dirt bike at some point. That's not going to change. I do want to add a 2-stroke to the garage. I want to have 4 bikes basically, but the third bike, like I said, is the wild card bike that I'll keep for a period of time and then change up, as where the WR250R and CBR 1000RR staples in the garage. This one I'll eventually get to the track where it belongs, and but the third bike, like I said, being a wild card bike, will change up. And I don't want another cruiser. The X Diavolo spoils me. It spoiled me. I mean, there's really no other cruiser that's even, as, in my opinion, as good as the X Diavolo at all, for its weight, for its turn-in ability, for its the power, and the features, everything, the beauty of it, everything. There's nothing else really that competes with the X Diavolo at all. So I can't see myself, take the other way. I'm not gonna mess with traffic. Let's take the park, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh, was that copper? No. I'm like paranoid, man. Speed limits. But anyways, so I want your help. I'm trying to think of what bike I could replace the X Diavolo with. Not a cruiser, like I said. I'm spoiled with the X Diavolo, and there's nothing else like that. I'm not a cruiser guy. I've come to terms with that. Like I said, the X Diavolo kind of blends sport bike with cruising, the two lives, you know, the two worlds. So it's perfect for us sport bike riders that want to try to be a cruiser. But I'm just not a cruiser type of dude, man. Even though you see me cruise a lot in these videos, I like to let it go here and there. As you guys have seen some of my videos, I like a mix, you know, but I don't want just a big old heavy cruiser to just ride around here and cruise and look around. I like to hit that throttle. I want that power. I want to be able to turn it on a dime when I want to. And you only can do that with the X Diavolo. That's the only type of cruiser, really. The V-Max weighs like 130 plus pounds more than the X Diavolo. I thought about maybe replacing it with a Aprilia Tuono, but I'm waiting for them to come out with a new one, and maybe I'll try the new one out. But I don't really like first year bikes. But if it's the same engine and they just make some tweaks to it, make it look more newer, then I'd get it, because it's not a brand new engine or anything, because that engine they say is amazing on that bike. The S1000R is too much like this bike with the inline 4. You know what I'm saying? I'd rather and then they, you know, the FZ09 I've thrown around. Everybody and their brother has that though. You know, that's one reason why I got the X Diablo, because not a whole lot of people had the bike. And MT09, I don't like the looks of it. It's kind of hefty for what it is. In my opinion, it's not that spectacular. I know some of you guys say CycleCruza, be a real man and get an adventure bike. I'm not ready for no adventure bikes, man. I like lightweight dual sports like my WR250R, where I can go take it and rough ride it in the woods, single track. Keep it safe out here, baby. Keep it safe. Make sure these cars are watching you. You know, I know the new Honda CB1000R kind of has that vintage look to it, and I don't even think that bike has this engine though. Does that have the older CBR 1000RR engine in it? So it'd be like basically getting this bike but having it a cool looking retro bike, which I'm not really into retro bikes though. So even though it kind of looks cool for a retro bike, to be honest with you, but there's really no street bikes out there that fancy me.
I take that back. I forgot. I'm really interested in the new Indian FTR 1200 that'll be coming out. However, I hope the production bike is as good as the concept bike. If it is, I'm interested.
I'm content with what I have, but I would like to change. Like I said, I have to change that X Diablo at some point. I'm just not going to keep that bike without a warranty on it. You know what I'm saying? So it could be reliable. I don't know, but you know, a Tijuana hooker can be reliable, maybe. You never know. But chances are it might not be. You know what I'm saying? And that's how I feel about Ducati. I like to say I have an appreciation for Ducati, the beauty of the bikes. The feel has its own character. It's amazing. I love their passion. I love the company. I have a lot of good things to say about Ducati. I just don't trust the reliability, and that goes with the you know, European bikes in general. To me, you know, I love the reliability of Japanese bikes. I truly do, but I love the character of these European bikes. I really do, especially Ducati. But I don't know, man. Maybe there's gonna be some cool new bike to come out. Maybe I can check out. I see a lot of you guys that have that new Panigale V4, but like I said, having a super bike out here on the streets, you can have, I mean, to have the fastest one, it doesn't matter. We're gonna be doing about the same speeds out here. You know, tell me, guys, what do you think I should replace the X Diablo with? I mean, come on. I'm just looking for your help. That's why I do these videos, create community discussion. I love when you guys enlighten me and I learn from you, you know what I'm saying? And learn some new things, some new bikes. You guys are the one that told me about the X Diablo when it very first came out. And but anyways, guys, for those of you guys that want to get my gear, you know, my camo pants, my helmets, my gear, everything, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. Or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and those are a bunch of links to all of my gear. And if you want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab, My Videos, and those are a bunch of playlists with my nearly over 1,200 plus videos categorized into those playlists to make it easier for you to navigate through and find what you're looking for. Hey, hit thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with your friends, guys. Let's talk about it, man. What's a really obscure, cool bike out there maybe that I'm missing? Enlighten me, and maybe I'll get it. You never know. Hey, subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and also go check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto.
It showcases a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Bug Out Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists, one for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.